Hey, what's up guys? On this video I'm going to show you how I did the installation of my diesel heater for my Hotshot truck. I bought this diesel heater because I don't want it idle while I'm sleeping, so I decide to do something like this on my truck. I bought this diesel heater for $105 on eBay, and what it does, while I'm sleeping or doing my reset like I'm doing right now, my DOT reset, instead of burning fuel of my truck, what I do, I turn this on and I keep the truck off. So this is what I did. I bought this diesel heater. I got an extra battery right there. Let me go on this side. I got an extra battery because I don't want to use my battery power from my truck. The battery power from my truck. So what I did, I brought this wire right here from the front of the truck, from the main batteries. So when it's time for me to use this, what I do, I disconnect this from here. This keep it charged while I'm driving. Okay, so at 9 I disconnect this and plug it to my diesel heater right here. Okay, so this is 12 volts during the day or during the night, so I don't have to use the power from the truck. Okay, so what I did, this wire right here is the controller. I did a little hole in there. This is the controller. So this is like maybe 12 inches long, or maybe 18 inches long. So it won't reach from there to here. So what I did, I soldered these 3 little wires right here. So I made it longer. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going outside. I'm going to the front of the truck so I can show you what I did with the wire that I brought in. Okay, so let me show you this first. This is a battery that I had at my house. So I don't want to open it because then I have to untie this thing that's holding it. So you have to be very careful with that over there with the exhaust, because it gets really hot. So you don't want this to touch the hose. The exhaust, because it will burn it and it will melt it. So let me show you over here in the front before I go inside. Okay, this is the wire right here. I put a fuse over here, and then I ground it over here to the truck. Okay, I put a fuse because I don't want to run to a situation that if I plug the wires over there, if I cross the wires over there, I don't want nothing to happen to the main battery or the computer of the truck. So always try to put a fuse on this type of connections, you know. So let me show you inside now. Okay, this is what I did. It comes with a remote. You can turn it off from here, or you can do it from here. You can do it from here. Okay, so either way you can do it. You hold it for 2 seconds, and here it is. It's on. This is the voltage of the battery right here, and this little light right here is like the pump. Okay, and this is the fan. Right now the fan is on, and you see the voltage drop. The voltage drops when it's starting. It might drop to 9 volt because the diesel heater has a glove plug, and you need to start the diesel heater. So that's why it dropped. Once it started, it will come back to 11 volt. Like right now, it's dropping. We're gonna give a couple of seconds. This is the temperature that I set it off. That I set it on. It's in Celsius, so I don't know how to put it to. I don't think you can put it to Fahrenheit. But I searched online, and that's a good temperature right there. Let me take you to the back so you can hear when it's this piece right here is really quiet, so you don't hear it at night because it's really quiet. Let me go outside. Okay, you see it is already on. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit of smoke coming up, but that smoke goes out right away. Like it won't stay. And that noise, I don't know if you can hear that noise. That's the pump pumping the fuel, the diesel. For example, last night I had I fill it up. So I've been using this for maybe 17 hours, and still I got fuel up to here. So I use maybe almost 3/4 of a tank in 17 hours. Okay, it's already on. There's no more smoke coming out of there. Remember, this thing is really hot right here, so you don't want to touch it when it starts completely. So the voltage is 8.8 right now. Let's see. It takes a little while for. Oh, it's already started. It's already on. So you see the voltage coming back up. So okay, guys. I just wanted to let you know how this thing works. It works really good. And I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends that are doing Hotshot, so they don't have to idle the truck. And God bless you all.